Hello children. So today we are going to make a duck. Okay, duck we are going to make. Are you ready children? Yes. So take out your pencil and eraser and your drawing copy. I am going to show you step by step. Okay children. So let's start the class. I will show you step by step children. Don't worry. Okay. So first what you are going to make? First one small circle for the face, okay, and then one oval, okay, small circle and oval. These two things you have to make, okay children. So let's start now. Make the small circle first, then the oval. Okay, ready children? Yes, done. Okay, so now what we will do children, see, now we will draw one line from here, one curved line from here, say like this, and one curved line from here. Okay, see, we have done these two lines just now. First I have made a small circle, then the oval, okay, and we have made these two line, curved line. Okay children. Okay, so next one line we will start from here like this. It's very easy. See, it's very easy. Now I will erase these two lines. This line 1, 2 and 3. This 3 line I am going to erase. Okay, see, our duck is almost ready. Okay, so now we will make the beak here. Done. Now we will make the eyes. Okay, next we will make the wings. और यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैं ऐसे कर दूंगा, ठीक है, like this. And here we will make some lines. Done. See, our duck is almost ready. Okay, now we will make the water. So here curved line I am going to add. Okay, see, now I will going to erase this line. See, our duck is almost ready. Done. Okay, so here we will make one more duck, small baby duck. Okay, here we will make one small baby duck. You can follow the step like this. Okay, and here, done. So these two duck we have made. So we will make one more small duck here. So our ducks are ready children. We will color here. Okay, I will show you the coloring step by step. Don't worry. Okay children, so let's start a color. So first what we will do, first I am going to use this light brown color for the outlines. Okay, for the outline I am going to use this light brown. Okay, and then we will use the yellow color. Okay children, or you can use pink lightly. Okay children, here you can use pink lightly, but I am going to use the yellow color. Okay children, yes, so let's start. Brown color done. ठीक है children, here also we will do the brown color. Done. So brown color we have completed. Okay, and now what we will do for the eyes also, we will use the brown color for the eyes outline. Done. So now what we will do, now we will use the yellow color. Okay, we will use the yellow color for the duck. So we will start from here, step by step, slowly. Okay children, धीरे धीरे करना होगा, white नहीं छोड़ना, ठीक है children? Do not leave white from one side. We will do step by step. Okay children? So like this. So like this, step by step from one side we will do slowly children. हाँ, जल्दी में नहीं करना है, एकदम slowly. Have you seen duck children? Have you seen? तुम लोगों ने duck देखा है? हमारे घर के पास ही है, बहुत सारा duck है. मैं उसको हर रोज chips खिलाता हूँ. ठीक है? You can also give them chips, chocolate. Okay? So yellow color done. Okay, here also we will do yellow color, same color, but do not change the direction, एकदम slowly. This one also done. Okay, now here we will do same thing, एकदम slowly children. Okay, slowly, step by step, slowly, step by step. So done. Okay, now we will use the dark blue color for the eyes. Okay, for the eyes we will use the dark blue color here. The blue we will do here also we will dark blue. Now we will use orange color for the beak. Okay, here we will use the orange color for the beak. एकदम slowly, लाइन से कलर बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, ठीक है चिल्ड्रन? एकदम slowly, कलर लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. See, this is the orange color. Done. Okay, we will make some wave line for the water. Okay, here some wave lines I will draw. See everyone, like this. Yes, like this. You can make some music. Okay, and this line also we will make the blue. So like this you can make some music. Okay, so this is the blue color. Okay, now we will use the light blue color for the water. Okay, from one side, see children, from one side we will start in slipping direction, from one side. From one side, slowly. See, from one side. In one direction, slowly from one side. See children, I have completed the light blue color. Okay, see, here we will add some more wave lines. And sky color you can do light blue or sunset scene you can do. Okay children, and that's it. Okay, so you need to practice like this, step by step, slowly every day, slowly you need to practice. Okay children, and children सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास में कौन सा ड्राइंग चाहिए कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख देना. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई विल ट्राई टू मेक द ड्राइंग फॉर यू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, यू जस्ट राइट डाउन in the comment box. Okay children, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay children, so bye bye.